guys, Teen Hero here. Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we are playing some more Subway Surfer. Well, we never played this before, but we are playing Subway Surfers. So let's go. Let's collect some of these coins. Also, because this video is going to be pretty quick, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more daily videos. Okay, let me see. I don't know why, but we gotta collect some of these. Whoop. Go through. Whoop. Dot dot. Okay. Barrel roll again. Dodge the train. Jump onto you. Oh, dodge you. Go up there. Dodge to the side. Oh, we got the dog. We got the gardener's dog after me. There was actually a thing that inspired me to make this video. And I'll go ahead and talk about it. So basically, there's this Subway Surfer series. And I love it. So yeah, we don't have much time to talk. And this is a short video, kind of showing you what we might do on this channel. Hey guys! Sorry about that. I had to skip through a few minutes because something happened. Well, nothing really happened, but I kind of had to pause the video, so let's go. Let's dodge you, go on you. So guys, I want y'all to leave the magic word in the comment section, spray paint, if you want to see some more Subway Surfers. Remember, put hashtag spray paint for more Subway Surfer. And if you want Spider-Man, just put hashtag the amazing Spider-Man, or hashtag Spider-Man, hashtag PS4, or something like that. Let's dodge you. Get some more coinage. We're gonna try and beat our best. Let's get this key. Whoa. Let's get this key. Collect some more coins. Whoop. Dodge that. Go into you. Look how super fast we are. Whoop. Whoop. There we go. Whoop. Dodge you. Let's grab this jetpack, guys. Look at us go. Oh, look at the day. Look at this. I wish we could run up here. But, yeah, look. It basically puts it off as soon as we leave it. See? We were so close to getting that jump rope. Let's go over here. Let's get these shoes of gravitational pull. I mean, the opposite of gravitational pull. Levitation, kind of. Whoa. Whoa. Guys, we beat our record. Now we're trying to beat this person that has 38,000. Which we're not going to be able to. 38,000 more than us. Guys, I'm going to watch a video. See. Okay, guys, the ad is over. Let's start the game again. Let's go. Whoa. Dodge it. Whoa. Let's just use a key, guys. I just died again. Oh my goodness, guys. Ah! That's the newest gameplay there. Now we just reached a brand new high score. So let's play again. Let's keep running. Get away from us, you little copper. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more daily videos. And also for Subway Surfers. Dun, 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 dun. Let's dodge you, get onto you, grab that. Dodge you. We got 8,000 more meters or whatever it is to go. Whoa. Let's go into another game. Okay. Let's go. Oop, we got hit. The coppers are after us, man. Bye. I do not like you. Now barrel. Barrel with me. Barrel. Now let's grab the magnet. You're mine. You're mine. You're mine. Bye. Let's collect some more coins. Jump over you. Jump over you. Walking. Ooh. Okay. Let's go to. Wait, no, boost, no. Home. Bye. There we go. Oh, 8 boards. We have a present? Nope. Starboard? Okay. Characters. Boards. Let's go to awards and collect a reward. A bronze award, which gives us 3 keys. Menu. Let's play. Oh, nope. Run! I just want to do this guy. There we go. Barrel, barrel, barrel. Dodge under you. Whoop. 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 Let's go. Jump over you. Let's get this lucky crate. Hopefully we get something actual lucky in it. Let's get the flamingo. Dodge that. The light turns green. Done that. Oh! Ow. Oh, guys. I would not want to be this guy. Ooh, 2 of precious stereos. Run. Let's go. Jump, roll, 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 jump. Roll, 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 roll. Duck under you, grab the magnet, dodge under you. Whoop, dodge that. Full concentration mode. Ah! Looks like we're back to Route 1. The square one. Full concentration mode activated. It's hard to do full concentration mode, especially when this is a video and not just some random day playing a game. Let's dodge that. Go under that. Collect some coins. Guys, that's probably about gonna end the video. Goodbye.